Your head weighs about as much as a bowling ball. And if it's sitting forward from where it should be, your brain is working overtime just to keep you upright. Researchers just showed this with some pretty wild brain scans, and the results might change how you think about your posture. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert. Let's talk about forward head posture. You know, the thing where your head moves forward, it juts forwards like you're constantly leaning in to read something like your phone. So, hours on phones, computers, Netflix binges. Our heads are basically living in the future while our shoulders are stuck in the past. So, researchers at the University of Sharjah hooked people up to brain monitoring equipment and had them do balance tests. What they found was pretty striking. People with forward head posture had their brains working significantly harder than people with normal posture, especially during challenging physical tasks. Think about it like holding a bowling ball close to your chest versus holding it out in front of you with your arms extended. Which one's harder? That's essentially what's happening with your head when it's pushed forward. Your neck muscles are working overtime, and your brain has to send way more signals to keep everything stable. The study measured something called corticomuscular coherence. Basically, it's just how much your brain has to talk to your muscles to get things done. In people with normal head posture, this communication was pretty efficient. But in people with forward head posture, their brains were basically yelling at their muscles. So here's how they did it. They tested 64 healthy college students on a balance platform while wearing brain sensors and muscle monitors. The people with forward head posture showed increased brain activity across all frequency bands. It's like having your brain's radio playing on multiple stations at once instead of tuning into one clear channel. The difference became most obvious during the hardest balance task. Here's the kicker. The brain scans showed elevated activity and frequencies associated with high mental effort and stress. These people's brains were constantly in a state of trying to solve a difficult problem, even during simple tasks. Well, you might think, so what? My brain's working harder. Isn't that good exercise? Well, not really. Think of it more like your car engine running at high RPMs all the time. Sure, you'll get to where you're going, but you're burning way too much fuel and putting extra wear on all the parts. This extra brain work was most noticeable in the higher level thinking areas, the parts that normally handle complex problem solving and attention. Instead of being available for actual thinking tasks, these brain regions were stuck managing basic posture control. What's really interesting is that these people didn't have any pain or obvious problems. They were healthy young adults who just happened to have their heads positioned a bit more forward than ideal. The angle they used was specific. If the angle between your ear and shoulder was less than 50 degrees when viewed from the side, you were in the forward head posture group. Most adults, and as society is going, most kids probably fall into that category. But here's the hope. Other research has, like in scientific reports, shown that when people improve their posture, their brain function often improves too. It's like taking extra load off your brain's processing power and freeing it up for more important things, like actually thinking clearly, having better focus, and feeling less mentally fatigued. The bottom line is that your posture isn't just about looking confident or avoiding neck and back pain. It's literally affecting how hard your brain has to work just to keep you functioning normally. Every time you catch yourself with your head pushed forward and pull it back to a more neutral position, you're potentially giving your brain a little break. So, next time you're hunched over your phone or leaning into your computer screen, remember your brain is working overtime just to keep you balanced. Maybe it's time to give it a rest and pull that bowling ball back where it belongs. And if you've been noticing your posture is not where you want it to be, and especially if your energy is low, your thinking is slow, and you need some help, I provided a link in the description for us to meet on Zoom for a posture and mobility assessment. Plus, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and as always, be your own guarantee for your health and your life.